Today we discussed about primary market, meaning the primary market is the market where the securities are sold for the first time. In a primary issue, securities are issued by the company directly to investors. Primary market is the new issue market. Primary market is a market for new issue of securities. In this market, shares are issued for the first time to the public. It is a market for new issues or new financial claims. Primary market, also known as new issue market. Next, we see functions of primary market. There are three main functions. The first one, origination. Origination refers to the work of investigation, analysis, and processing of project proposals. Origination starts before a issue is actually floated in the market. A careful study of the viability of the project has to be studied to ensure soundness of the project in the preliminary stage. This origination function is done by merchant bankers who may be commercial banks or Indian financial institutions or private firms. In primary market, origination means to investigate, evaluate and procedure new project proposal. It initiate before an issue in present in this market, and it is done with the help of merchant bankers. Merchant bankers are banks, financial institutions, private firms, etc. In primary stage, investigation involves a detailed study of economic, financial, legal, technical aspect to ensure the soundness of the project. Then second function is performed by sponsoring the institutions. Next, underwriting. Underwriting is an agreement whereby the underwriter promises to subscribe to a specific number of shares or debentures or a specified amount of stock in the event of public not subscribing to the issue. Underwriters are found in banking, insurance and stock market. It is the most function of financial world. Underwriting is an agreement. It is underwriter promises to subscribe to a specific number of shares or debentures or a specific amount of stock in the event of public, and the company can need to be appoint underwriters. They can be banks, financial institution or specified underwriting firms. Underwriting can be single underwriter or group of underwriter. So the company can pay minimum subscription as guaranteed by underwriters. The next, distribution. Distribution is the function of sale of securities to ultimate investors. This service is performed by brokers and agents who maintain a regular and direct contact with the ultimate investors. It means the sale of securities to the supreme or highest investors. Distribution job is given to brokers and dealers. The brokers or agent maintain direct contact with the supreme investors. Next we see types of primary market. The first one, public issue. When a company raises funds by selling its share to the public through issue of shares document, it is called public issue. This method of the issuing company directly offered to the general public institution at a stated price through a document is known as public issue. This is the most popular method of raising capital or marketing of securities for the public limited companies. Under this method, the issuing company directly offer to the public or institution a fixed number of shares at a stated price through a legal document. The legal document is called prospectus, and the prospectus must contain all the information about the issue like name and address, names of directors, dates of opening and market closing the subscription list and minimum subscription, etc. The next type, offer for sale. The shares are not offered to the public directly. Institutional investors like venture funds, private equity funds, etc. invest in unlisted company when it is very small or at an early stage. It is also called bought out deals. In this Third, the companies do not offer the securities directly to the investors. Instead of the securities are issued to the issue house or a merchant bankers. Then, offer for sale consists an outright sale of securities through the intermediary of issue house or share brokers, and this method also called bought out deals. The next, private placement. The shares of the companies are given to the investing public with the help of issue houses. This method is adopted by certain companies as it prevents the presence of underwriters. It involves minimum expenditure. Private placement means direct sale of securities by a company to institutional investor is called private placement. And private placement refers to the direct sale of newly issued securities by the issuer to a small number of investors through merchant bankers. And the merchant bankers are financial institutions, corporate banks, and high net worth individuals. And it involves minimum expenditure. The next one, right issue. Right issue is a method of raising funds in the market by an existing company. When a company raises funds from its existing shareholders by selling them new shares, debentures, it is called right issue. In this method, may adopted existing and established company of issue of securities shares which are already listed in the stock exchange sometimes. This method of flotation is issued by new companies also. Right issues are an inexpensive mode of flotation of shares. The last one, initial public offering. The process of offering shares in a private corporation to the public for the first time is called initial public offering. Growing companies that need capital will frequently use IPOs to raise money, while more established firms may use an IPO to allow the owners to exist some or all their ownership by selling shares to the public. It means private company can go public by sale of its stock to general public. Then the company can raise equity capital with the help of an IPOs. By issuing new shares to the public, or the existing shareholders can sell their shares to the public without raising any fresh capital.